Hey guys, what is going on today? You know, I started this project, but then I got thinking to myself, maybe you guys would like to see this too. I know it's a little off subject, but I have a couple of mowers here. My dad and I have a mowing service together, and the front framework is broke on it, so I need to weld it back together. So I thought maybe you guys might like to see that. It's just basically a welding 101 thing. So I've already got my pieces ground that I need to weld, so I'm a little ahead of where you might be catching up at. So we'll get the camera set up and show you what I got going on here. All right, this is one of our mowers here. We run both of our mowers are Dixie choppers, and this frame here is broke just from use. This mower has right around 800 hours on it. We use our mowers a lot, and you can see right here where I've ground that out, and then on the other side too where it's broke, and then a little bit underneath right there. So I'm going to be welding that back together. I got the paint ground off, got it cleaned up, and I'm just going to MIG it together. Welded a nice little groove in there, and I'll fill that completely up, stitching it back and forth. So I'll set the camera up and kind of show you what I mean. We'll set you on a tripod, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. All right, I got the camera set up. I'm going to grind a small little spot right here to hook my ground up to. And what I meant by stitching is I'm going to take my stinger and I'm going to work back and forth from edge to edge, filling that groove completely up that I ground out. Just working it until I run out of surface area. So I'll probably start down here at this side and work my way this way, or vice versa. It don't really matter because I have to hit this under here also. So on both sides. So let's get you zoomed out so you can follow me and see what I'm doing. Hook up my ground. Get my helmet on. And gloves, and we're gonna start laying our first bead here. We'll start on this short side right here first. After I turn the gas on, I forgot to do that, so I got to grind that back out of there because that's an improper weld because I didn't have my gas turned on. This is all new to me, trying to do this for you guys. So let me grind that back out of there. Get my gas turned on and get back at it. Turn my hood back to weld. Try this again. All right, there's one side done. I'll get this welded underneath right here. I hate overhead welding, which is typically what that is. I'm not really a certified welder, I'm pretty much self-taught. So we'll get this side buzz closed. All right, and there's that side. It turned out pretty good. I'll do a little overhead welding underneath here real quick, and then that'll be welded all back together. Just throw a little bit of paint on it, and it'll be good to go for another 800 hours, I hope. All right, there's that side. So you can see I got pretty good heat dissipation if you look at those real close. You see how that rainbowed edge is on there, so that burns in there pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just a little bit something different other than a truck. Alright, grab some paint here, throw it on there, and I think it's good to go. Take my ground off. I think we got her. That's good enough. If you guys are kind of wondering how I have this up in the air, what I have, this is called a jungle jack. And that's what I use to change my blades all the time to get them off. It wasn't quite long enough when I got it, so I made it just a little bit longer with a piece of square tubing in there. And you can see that allows me to be able to raise my blades up, or raise my mower up to change my blades. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much going to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, hit that like button, subscribe, comment, And I look forward to doing another video for you pretty soon. Waiting on some parts for my truck to get here, and some new ones will be uploaded. Have a great evening, and we will see you later on.